Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is Yanda Septian Putra. I hope you all are well at this time. I will explain about the ability on and question before that I will like to thank all my friends who have watched the video. Hopefully it will benefit us all. Well, we go directly to the first material about abilities. Ability ability is a purpose sentence that comes from English ability or can also be known in social situations as capacity, which basically means the capacity possessed by someone to take action in knowledge, reasoning, and other machine related to people life. Definition of ability. Ability is an expression that someone has based on the environment, how to get along, and the level of knowledge, all of which can be obtained from a variety of experience, or it can also be brought from life, or meaning from the descendants of the family parents. Mm, Definition of ability according to experts. The definition of ability according to experts, among others, are as follows. According to Stephen Robbins, the definition of ability is the capacity and capability possessed by each individual to carry out tasks in the world that has become become his responsibility, both in the organization, social life, or in family function. According to Shohardi, the definition of ability is a study that produces normative values on a branch behavior and is considered as the result of his work to the community. Acting in this case, the ability referred to as the talent gained from which the learning process and experience. According to Robert Kreitzner, the meaning of ability is the attitude of someone who has continuous or characteristics in carrying also honest actions, what which are any influence. So in this definition is closely related to the maximum ability of a person to deal with social problems in society. Concept of ability. Meaning of ability as concept in people's life is inseparable from the evaluative mechanism to improve themselves in an example of social growth. So from that concept that applies in this capability is follows: existence, the stakes in ability that a person gets will begin rather than being in the middle of life. This can be reflected rather than functional responsibility. For example, in carrying out the task, a person will take action in accordance with their capacity within a particular company or government office. do do in a effort to explain on capability. The next step is to implement action that are in accordance with the testing uh, given. This is the importance in the importance of our ability to continue to learn better, so that's what is carried or produced maximum result. We process function material. function function is a part of a program used to do a particular task which produces a value to be returned to the calling program, and its location is is separate from the parts of the program that us add function benefits or avoid repetition. The goal is to avoid writing parts of the program code over and over again. Program structuring errors and complex programs are divided into different activities and placed in separate subroutines, so that each activity can be written and executed independently. Independence has a prefix. I prefix that is a variable that cannot to access it by other killer program or subroutine. Okay, that's all the material I can explain about the material function and ability. I can now I can know there is still very much wrong in the delivery of this material. For that, I need advice from friends all about miscash in delivery material from me. That's all material from me. I see you. Thanks. I say thank you. I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.